Welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. I find peace and happiness in being a homemaker. Come along with me and see what I have cooking up today. In today's video, I have some very greasy and dirty stove hood vents that I'm going to clean, and I'm going to share with you a quick and easy solution to getting these clean. The product I have bought and have been using for a good year or two now is this Dawn Professional Degreaser. Now I can only find this locally at my Lowe's, but I'm sure you could go on Amazon and find it. But today I just want to share with you how easily and how quick that this works, and makes quick work of a nasty, greasy job that tends to get put off because of the dread of having to clean them. But with this Dawn Professional Degreaser, it makes simple work of it. Now this video may sound like a sponsored advertisement for Dawn, but I give you my word that it's not. This is my own personal testimony for this product. And as you can see, my bottle is almost empty, so I've been a long time user of this product, and I believe in it. And if I could do something to help another homemaker out with cleaning these nasty screens that will make the job easier, I'm going to do it. So to clean these, I just spray each side very liberally with the cleaner. And I have walked off and left these and come back to scrub on them. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to go ahead, instead of walking away from them and letting them set for any length of time, I'm going to go straight in with my scrubbing brush and start cleaning these. That way you can see how quickly and how effective this cleaner is at removing this built-on gunky grease. I hope you've enjoyed my video today. I hope it's been a help to you. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and leave a like. Thanks for watching, you all.